Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we are on a new group build. Yes sir. We are on a group build for the Mustang. Man, I've been waiting for something like this. I don't know why I didn't think of it myself. So if you head over to Mike's channel at Scale Speedworks, Mike is hosting this build. So Mike, I really appreciate you putting this build on, my man. That's awesome. So I've been looking forward to something like this. I thought, very cool. I'm a Mustang guy. I'm a Ford guy. Most of you guys know that. And so yeah, so Mike has a few rules going on with this. Pretty much anything goes as long as it's a Mustang. You know, that's the cool thing about it. So, and the build's going to be titled under hashtag Mustang 60. Because I don't know if everybody knew or not. I believe it was April 17th. Mustang turned 60 years old. So very cool, Mike, to retrospect that for the build under the Mustang. So I like it. I like it a lot. So anyways, Tony Lancer and I have been talking about doing a group build, or a buddy build I should say, and we're going to do the 5.0 Mustangs. So I think we're going to incorporate maybe a couple kits in on this build. I see a lot of guys might be doing multiple kits, so that's pretty cool. So we get a year to do this, so which works out really good for me because I put the pro in procrastination. So this gives me a lot of time to get these done, because like I said, I'd probably like to do 2 of them for this one, probably 2, because I got a Mustang kit that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and this will give me the push to do it. Yeah, so I just got the paint for it the other day from MCW, from Market Hobby Nut Models. So yeah, I've been wanting to get on this because it's time to get a build. So I have an array of Mustang kits, so I've been really thinking about which one do I do? I got about 50 plus Mustangs on the shelf here. So I narrowed it down to 2. One, obviously, we're going to do probably the 5.0 Mustang, the one that Tony Lancer and I is going to do. And the other one, I will take you over to the shelf and I will show you my choices and which one I have picked out. So let's go to the bench and take a look. Actually, let's go to the shelf and take a look. Not the bench. We haven't made it to the bench yet. It's got to go to the shelf, so see what we got. Okay, so this is my Mustang stash here. We'll just pan around here. So, like I say, I got a few of them up here to choose from. Like I say, I was really thinking about. So that red 5.0 drag racer, that's going to be the one that Tony and I are building. And then we stop over here at the 13 Boss 302. And on the other wall over here, I have 3 more Mustangs in the box. So I was thinking, I thought, yep, I know which one I'm going to do. Because I've been wanting to do it for a long time. So it's actually going to be this one right here. There we go. That guy right there. That is the one we're going to build. This guy right here. I've been wanting to do it for a long time. Like I say, I finally got the paint for it. It was an eBay buy. So it's just time to get it built. Get it done. So I'm going to get this down and we'll take a quick look at it. Please hold. Okay, so we got a little different angle for you tonight. So I didn't feel like moving my other tripod. I'm going to be that guy. So we're going to do the Monogram 124 scale Mustang Motorsport IMSA Racer. Yes, it's such a cool looking kit. Check that out. That would be nice. Nice little build. I just think these are cool looking. Very, very cool looking cars. So I believe this is probably an 80. I had an 80 Mustang back in the day and it had that same front nose on it. Like I say, this kit is unbuilt. So basically the only thing it's done that's been out of the plastic. So it's still got all the mold pieces on here, little pins. So I think this would be really, really cool. And the decals are still in pretty good shape. So that's why I really want to get on this, because it's getting time, because they're getting to that point where they're not quite yellow yet, but they're working on it. So it's time to get this going. So the glass is in pretty nice shape. Yeah, so this looks pretty good. So yeah, so this is going to be a pretty cool build. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do this Mustang right here. Yeah, like I said, I love these older, early Fox bodies. Very cool. We've got some really cool looking BBS wheels for this thing. I mean, look at the deep dish in them bad boys. Oh wait, you didn't get lost in them things. And I got some sweet Goodyear tires for them. Pretty good sized tires. So then we got our floor pan and all that good stuff in the bottom there. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to build this Mustang here. And this is my entry for the Mustang group build from Scale Speedworks. So go over to Mike's channel and check it out. Mike has a good channel over there, you guys. You guys need to go check him out anyways, and get on over there and do your thing. So that's what we're doing. We're doing this Mustang. Okay guys, so that's all I got for you tonight. So like I say, this is my entry for the Mustang build. One of two probably. Further videos will follow if that's the case. So like I say, head on over to Mike's channel at Scale Speedworks and get yourself signed in and acknowledge that you're in and go from there. So alright guys, we will see you and you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.